Give me some kind of an idea of why it is that you went into that field of law.
You know, I have a very specific memory, and it's very funny because I was thinking about that kind of a question, you know, why did I even decide to be a lawyer? And I have this real specific memory of being a juvenile. I think I was 13, boy, I had to be 14 years old. I was in traffic court for my motorcycle. I had been speeding on my motorcycle and went to court and waiting my turn, a room full of people. And this young kid got up in front of me and had his turn in front of the judge. And he didn't have his shirt tucked in. Didn't have his shirt tucked in. The judge chewed him out for about 20 minutes. And I was so outraged at how mean that judge was and how that authority and that power had gone to his head, and that he thought just because he was a judge he could abuse this poor kid. I wanted to stand up right there and scream and defend this kid. And I knew right then, you know, if I ever decided to become a lawyer, and I thought about it, that there's only one kind of law I could practice, and that was defending the people that don't get a chance to be defended. You know, the underdogs, the people who need you, rather than, you know, as you say, doing corporate law or defense work. There are people who really need lawyers who either can't find them, can't afford them, or don't know who to go to. And it's sad because those kind of people do get abused by the system if they're not well represented. So I take great pride in taking the hard cases, taking the cases that, you know, supposedly can't be won. There's nothing like winning a case that can't be won. I'll tell you what, it really flips the other side.